This 2022 Land Rover Defender came in for paint protection film and a ceramic coating. We applied our track pack paint protection film to the full hood, full fenders, the full front bumper, and the mirror caps. We also included the fender flares, rocker panels down here, A-pillars, roofline, and then this customer wanted to add on coverage in the door cups and the rear splash area. And then we completed a two-step paint correction on the full body of the vehicle and applied a ceramic coating over top of the paint protection film and the rest of the body of the vehicle.